Hi, I'm Nishita Oleti. I work as a quality analyst in SignUp. I handle the testing department in this company. I think the first step of solving any kind of problem is to first identify where exactly the problem exists, and that's basically what I do here. I verify and validate any kind of code that is written in this application, make sure it matches with the customer's requirements, and also see to it that a better quality code gets to the production. Since I'm the only QA in this company, my job comes with a lot of responsibilities and at the same time opportunities as well. I am the middleman between the customers and the developers, so I cannot afford to do any slight mistakes here because whatever I do will take a toll on the company. So it has made me more vigilant, and it has definitely helped me improve my analyzing and troubleshooting skills. It has also helped me manage work with time constraints. There's a lot of time where I get the code to test and it has to be delivered within a couple of hours or a couple of days. So I need to keep in mind the quality of work and code coverage, as well as see to it that it gets delivered within a specified amount of time. So a lot of challenges come my way on a day-to-day basis, and it's very exciting, and that's what keeps me going. What I like the most working in SignUp is its working environment. As you can see, it's a very lively, friendly and interactive place. When you work in such a place, you not only grow professionally but also personally. There is no boss-employee kind of attitude with anybody. We're all friends here more than colleagues, and everybody is readily available to help. You can seek their help whenever you want to. And with my previous experience, I can tell that in big corporate companies, what happens is one person is given a very big task and he doesn't get to experiment or explore in other areas. Whereas here in SignUp, one person fits one task kind of a thing does not happen. You get to bring in your ideas, pitch in your ideas whenever you want to. Nobody is going to come and stop you. And the other thing is, entrepreneurs are the best people to learn from. We have two entrepreneurs here, Ashwin and Mohan. Ashwin, such a young age, he started, this is his second startup, and Mohan, it's been 25 years in this IT industry. So their entire approach in solving issues is different. They're constantly finding solutions, and they have this drive to make the most of their money and time. So it's very inspiring, and it's a totally learning experience for me. So far, the result and the growth I've seen in this company is commendable. I have seen our product, I believe in our mission, and I like the approach that we have towards achieving our goals. We want to be the best marketing application, and it's very exciting to work in a company with such high goals. So I'm sure it's going to happen one day, and I'm looking forward to witnessing that. If you want to go great guns, if you want your work to make a good difference in others' lives, and if you want to excel in your work, I think you should try and work here. By working here, you'll realize that you could do a lot more things than you thought you could do. What makes me super, that I'm able to experiment, and I'm like surprising myself here by doing things that I thought I could never do. It's a lot of fun to work here, and I don't dread it to come to. There's no Monday blues. That's what makes me super. So come join SignUp and stay super.